Welcome to the ultimate InVideo AI tutorial for 2025. Today, we're diving into the best faceless text-to-video generator that's revolutionizing content creation. If you're looking to create stunning videos without showing your face, you're in the right place. We'll also integrate TubeMagic into our process for seamless content creation. Let's get started. InVideo AI is a powerful platform designed to transform your text into professional videos in minutes. Whether you're creating for YouTube, social media, or business, InVideo's advanced AI tools handle it all. With templates, customizations, and automated voiceovers, the possibilities are endless. Sign up for InVideo using the link in the description to start creating today. Before that, let's explore TubeMagic, an all-in-one platform designed to revolutionize the way YouTube creators manage their channels. From discovering the best topics to optimizing your videos for maximum reach, TubeMagic empowers creators with tools like keyword research, video research, script writing, and more. Step 1. Niche Explorer. With the help of TubeMagic Niche Explorer, you can check for your niche RPM and analytics. Simply write down your niche. For example, my niche is personal finance, so I will write it. This feature also gives you an example with the channel. Now it's time to give your channel a name. For that, click on Micro Tools and then click on Channel Name Generator. My niche is about personal finance, so I will write it here and click on Generate. TubeMagic will give me examples and channels names. You can select any of them. If you do not like the channel name, then click on Generate again. Step 2. Keyword Research. Find profitable opportunities. Success on YouTube starts with keyword research, and TubeMagic's advanced algorithm ensures you're always ahead of the curve. This feature identifies trending keywords with high demand and low competition. For example, let's search for personal finance. TubeMagic has given us various results. I will choose with the low competition, and the keyword is high yields, saving accounts for 2025. With a few clicks, TubeMagic will display search volume. How many people are actively looking for this topic? Competition level, a score to gauge how saturated the niche is. TubeMagic even shows seasonal trends, helping you schedule content for maximum impact. Step 3. Video Research. Analyze the competition new for 2025. TubeMagic's video research tool takes content strategy to a new level. This feature scans YouTube to find top-performing videos in your niche, offering insights into their success. For example, searching for high-yield savings accounts 2025 will display popular videos, their view counts, and engagement metrics. Data on video length, upload frequency, and viewer retention. Analysis of successful titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. You can identify gaps in the market, refine your ideas, and create content that stands out. Step 4. Generate unlimited video ideas. Input the channel name or URL of the video. TubeMagic will generate the idea of that video for you as a new video. Step 5. Crafting video scripts. Simplify the process. With your topic in hand, it's time to script your video. TubeMagic's script generator is designed to save hours of work. Input your video title, like High Yield Savings Accounts 2025, and adjust the word count slider based on your desired video length. For example, 1,500 words for a 10-minute video, 800 words for a 5-minute tutorial. Click Generate, and TubeMagic delivers a professional, engaging script in seconds. Templates for every format. TubeMagic offers templates to match your content style. Short-form content. Create under 60-second scripts perfect for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. How-to videos. Generate step-by-step guides tailored for tutorials. Listicles. Perfect for countdown-style videos. Step 6. Warp upload and metadata. Optimization publishing is often the most tedious part of content creation, but not with TubeMagic's Warp upload tool. Here's how it works. 1. Upload your video to YouTube as unlisted. 2. Paste the URL into TubeMagic. 3. Click Generate, and TubeMagic analyzes your video content to create SEO-optimized titles, keyword-rich descriptions, pre-curated tags. This feature ensures your videos are fully optimized for YouTube's algorithm, saving you time and improving visibility. You can also generate individual elements like just titles, descriptions, or tags depending on your needs. Upcoming features for 2025 TubeMagic is continuously evolving, with exciting features on the horizon. TubeMagic 2025 is your ticket to effortless content creation and explosive channel growth. Lock in your subscription now before prices increase, and start turning your YouTube dreams into reality. Sign up today and join thousands of creators who are already thriving with TubeMagic. Welcome to the next step in your content creation journey, transforming the script generated by TubeMagic into a professional, eye-catching video using InVideo, one of the best AI-powered video generators available today. In this guide, I'll show you how to use your TubeMagic script to make a stunning video and give a detailed review of InVideo's features to ensure you're using it to its full potential. 1. Sign up or log in. Visit InVideo.io and create an account or log in if you already have one. InVideo AI just released a brand new upgrade. That's a big upgrade for text-to-video AI generation. With InVideo AI version 3, you can turn just one simple text prompt into an entire video that is AI generated. Let me show you this 30-second commercial I created with a single sentence text prompt with no editing.
Meet RoboPause, the cutest tech buddy your child will ever have.
I love you, RoboPause.
RoboPause responds to touch, voice, and even learns new tricks. With its adorable expressions and easy-to-use app, it's more than a toy. It's a true companion. RoboPause, your child's new best friend. Order now at robopause.com.
That was literally from a one-sentence text prompt with no editing. The first time I tried it, and on their website, they have a bunch of different examples, and they also provide the prompts that you can copy and paste the prompts. If you want to get something like all these examples that you see over here, this one is really cool. Let me just click on this one to show you. Look at this Lego version of Game of Thrones here that someone created, and you can see the prompt over here and you can copy the prompt. But let's jump into InVideo AI so I can show it to you. And I want to make this more of a tutorial so you can see some of the options that you have available, because you can do a lot inside of this platform. Okay? Inside of InVideo AI, and I'll put a link in the description, we'll talk about kind of the pricing model a little bit later too. But InVideo AI version 3, right here is what you want to choose. Version 2 is still available and it's very useful. So I have an entire video dedicated to version 2. I'll link that below. If you want to see kind of how that works as well, but right here, all you have to do is type in a text prompt. It can be simple, or you can get pretty complex here. It has 32,000 characters. So you can put a big portion of a script. One thing I really like is these flows over here. And with these flows, it gives you a ton of different examples. So creating ads, it shows you all the different types of ads you can create. It shows you what kind of platform you want to create these. For YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you can make vertical videos. You can make just regular horizontal YouTube videos. You can make AI films here. You can use your own script here and turn those into complete videos, animated videos, short films, faceless videos. The really nice thing about this is I've been making videos for a long time, but a lot of people just don't have that skill set or don't want to learn that skill set, but they still have stories to tell, right? Or they still want to create ads with ideas they have. Well, this is a way to do that now. Okay, I'll use this prompt here. But first, select the Use My Script option. Paste the script we've created into TubeMagic. After pasting, A range of options will appear, including background music, language, subtitles, and voice actors. Background music. Choose the type of music that best suits your video. Since our video is about finance, selecting inspirational music is appropriate. Language. Select your preferred language. In this case, English is recommended. Subtitles. Decide whether to include subtitles. For this video, I prefer not to include them. Voice actors. Select a voice actor based on gender and accent preferences. Next, choose between generative or stock media depending on your needs. For this project, I'll opt for generative media. Once all selections are made, click Continue and then Generate. After this step, you will see a set of options. Select them based on your requirements. Visual style. Since I've chosen generative media, I will opt for a realistic visual style. You can adjust this to your preference. Audience. I recommend selecting financial enthusiasts for a finance-related video. Platform. Choose YouTube if you're creating a longer-form video. For shorter content, select YouTube Shorts. If the content is intended for Facebook, choose the Facebook option. Make your selections accordingly to suit the video's purpose and target audience. And click Continue. TubeMagic will analyze your script, and after a few minutes, your video will be ready. Here's the final result.
In this video, we'll dive into the world of high-yield savings accounts for 2025. You'll learn what these accounts are, how they differ from traditional savings accounts, and why they're gaining popularity in today's financial landscape. Understanding high-yield savings accounts is crucial, especially as interest rates fluctuate and inflation impacts our savings. We'll explore the potential benefits, such as higher interest rates and easy access to your funds, which can help you grow your savings more effectively. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your financial future. What is a high-yield savings account? A high-yield savings account is a type of savings account that offers significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. The primary purpose of these accounts is to help individuals.
That was really great. You can create stunning videos with the help of InVideo AI and TubeMagic. All you have to do is practicing. I have put the links in description. Click them to create an account. If you like this video, give a like, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.